There is a sin that is so easy to commit that we don't even understand that it's a sin. And that is backbiting and suspicion. Surah Hujurat, Surah number 49. Do not be suspicious about others, because in cases, suspicion is a sin. Do not backbite. Do you like to eat the meat of the dead brother of yours? No. You shun it. You don't like it. You hate it. You dislike it. Backbiting in the sight of Allah is equal to eating the meat from the dead body of your brother. So it's a serious sin. Surah number 104, ayat number 1. Wailul likulli humazatil lumaza. Curse be upon those who backbite. So don't indulge in any talk that is not related to you and your akhirat. Don't indulge in it.